Hi, my name is Irfan. I am again here for you. This is my second lesson I have decided to teach you today. That is called concept of tenses. Student, first of all, I would like to discuss with you that simple past, active voice, and then passive, then state of being. So, before I start my lesson, I would like to let you know that what is a simple past actually. Simple past tense is a tense in which an activity started in the past and ended in the past too. You can see on the board. I have drawn a line in the basis of simple past. This activity started in the past and it finished in the past too. It means that in a simple past tense is a kind of happening or occurrence which occurred in a past tense, and it might have lasted for a few time and it might have finished. It didn't reach to the surface of present then. So, according to the structure, first of all, this is a simple past active, as I would like to let you know. We always use second form of the verb, so past tense is used, and past tense is the name of second form of verb as well. So then object, indirect object. In the second area, we can also let you know, I would like to let you know about that simple past negative formation. Subject did not and first form of the verb. That is for simple past active voice and negative. So now, according to the example, you would understand the history. This is I use a subject I, and played is the second form. This is a regular verb because we are only adding ed with it. So we also use ed, played. I played hockey yesterday. It happened yesterday at specified time. So I played. I, after the I we are using second form, and hockey is indirect, and then yesterday rest of the sentence. The second part we see she wrote a letter 2 days ago. It means she might have started writing a letter in the past time, and she might have been writing and it finished her. So she wrote. Wrote is the second form of the write. It's also simple past active. A letter is an indirect object, and then the remaining part of the sentence. Okay. The third one, they didn't complete their work. So student did not is formation for negative, and did it is a concise is contraction. It is used for the sake of conversation gambits. When we want to make a fluency in our conversation, we can use didn't. So they did not complete their work. So after the did not, we always use first form of the verb. Why? Because did is itself is the second form of do. Do, did, done, and doing. So didn't, when we use did, so it means that we are already using did second form of the verb. So they did not or didn't complete their work. So this is the story of simple past active. Now come to the second. Simple past passive. Subject, was, were, verb third form, and object. This is the passivized simple past structure. Whenever you see was, were, and third form of the verb, this is called simple past passivized. Was, were, simple past, and then third form. Okay, student. According to the agreement of the subject, we use was with he, she, it, and singular, and I we use was, whereas were is used with you, they, plural, okay, with it. So third form is the past participle. So whenever you see was and third form, this is called simple past passivized. Oh, now look at the example. Lockdown was extended. Was is a helping verb, and why we have used was because lockdown is a singular and extend is the third form. Ed is used with it. This is extended, mean regular verb as well, because we are only adding ed, then it makes its forms second form of verb. Lockdown was extended by him. By him is a by phrase. By phrase mean when you want to discuss that who has done this job, you can write. If you don't want to, if you want to skip it, you can. So you can also is a complete sentence. If we skip by him, it doesn't mean the sentence is incomplete. Sentence is absolutely complete. We can also say lockdown was extended. This is also a complete sentence. But according to the formation, sometimes we want to let others know that who has done the job. So that's why lockdown was extended by him. She was advised by her mother. It's a very simple to understand. She and then was a helping verb. According to she is agreement and advise the third form. So was and advice tell us that this sentence also simple past passive. And by her mother, that's a by phrase that who has done this job. Okay. If we don't want to discuss that by her mother, so we can also say that she was advised. That someone might have advice, that's why we have written advice. This is called also agendless passive. This is not a time to discuss agendless passive right now. The third one is, were you informed about this news? This is simple past passive as well, but a question form, because verb has been used before the you. Whenever helping verb is used before the subject, that sentence is called question sentence, interrogative sentence. Okay, were you informed about this news is not a by phrase. This is a complement. This is a remaining part of the sentence. Okay, if he said were you informed by the news, that is wrong because the news can't speak itself. So we can say were you informed about the news. This is the story of simple past passive. I hope so you have understood. The third one is state of being. We are not using right now here noun, subject, because subject or doer of the action is called a subject, and this sentence there is no any main verb. We do not have an action word in it, so that's why we are using noun or pronoun. We are using he, she, it depends on. In the example you will see, like second example, she was at home. She is pronoun, not a subject, because this in this sentence the activity is not going on. Okay, the existence is being shown. So whenever the activity is not going on, we are showing only existence. That is called simple past state of being. So Aslan was busy. Linking verb, that is a linking verb, was not a helping verb. Busy complement, Aslan is noun. It is telling us the relation between noun and the complement. Noun and the complement, so that is called linking verb. So she was at home was also linking verb. It tells about the at home and she. So are you a student? This is a question form. This also the same story, linking verb is coming before the pronoun and then complement. I hope so, gentlemen, you have understood this story. So these are all the story about a simple past, active, passive, and state of being. May God bless you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you do have any kind of a query, you can write on the comments area. Thank you so much.